This video demonstrates starting a job with a Safe Work Method Statement, SWMS, in the FieldMagic mobile app. The job is already scheduled and includes SWMS requirements. Open the FieldMagic mobile app and locate the scheduled job. When you start the job, the app displays all associated safety tasks. You cannot begin work until all safety requirements are completed. Open the first safety task and locate the Sign button at the bottom. Tap Sign and add your signature. Save the signature. The second safety task displays the required tools, tasks, and associated risks. Tap Sign, add your signature, then begin work on the job. The job timer starts running after all safety tasks and risks have been signed off. On the desktop, refresh the view to confirm the safety tasks have been completed.